Hey DJ, good morning, how are you? How are you?
Very good, man.
Hola, Miss Marta, buenos días. ¿Cómo está? ¿Lista para trabajar?
Bien,
Bien, gracias a Dios. Que tenga buen día, nos vemos. We have a nice people right here working. We work together. It's a very good teamwork. Started 5 and 6 years ago. The county has a lot of benefits. Hi, Debbie. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Sammy. How are you?
I'm ready.
Oh, good. You rested, alert, and ready for work?
Oh, yes.
The hours are really good compared to private industry. You can come in, work, it's steady hours. You leave in the morning and you're home at night with your kids.
I started I labor in the back of the truck. So the people helped me to learn and get my license.
Our drivers are family-oriented. They work together as a team. I started in Fairfax County in 2001 as a driver. I actually came from the outside. Being in the county allowed me to my kids grow. Also gave me the opportunity to get more relaxed, to have better benefits, to retire. I had a new wife, and she's like, when are you coming home? And I'm home now, honey. This county equipment that I'm driving today, the 2014 Cascadia, coming from where I'm coming from, these trucks are in heaven. It rides on air, it's ultra shift, automatic, no clutch to change gears, it does it all by itself, and it's very safe.
I spent my whole career in safety. I came from Metro. It's a positive safety culture we have here. There's a lot of upward mobility coming in as a driver, step up to a lead driver, supervisor, and then it's endless opportunities here with the county.
Being a driver for the county and work for the county means opportunity.